Welcome to My Little Venture. Getting your young entrepreneur started is simple. First, add your child by adding a display name and age. Then, give your kids' campaign a catchy title and pick a category. Now, tell their story by introducing your kid and sharing what they are raising money for. Don't forget to set a campaign goal. Next, make the campaign stand out by adding one or more great images. Help your child describe a special thank you offering for their supporters, like a handmade craft or a custom drawing. It's a wonderful way for them to showcase their heart and hard work. Finally, choose your privacy settings. You can make the campaign public for everyone on the platform, or keep it private so only people with your unique link can see it. Since you're the guardian, you're in total control. Hit Launch Campaign to go live right away, or click Save as Draft to come back and finish it later. Now, you are ready to share your kids' campaign to supporters and help them achieve their goal.